Well, the auto shut off works. Yay! Let's hit play. What have we got here? We've got today, Tuesday, 20 August, 2024. I've been having just way too much fun here. I started working on this thing, I don't even know when, so here it is, looks like that, okay? And took these pictures, and like that, opened it up, and I have a donor, well, I have a donor guts. It came out of another Sharp, which is a stereo Sharp, because it's got stereo heads, and it's in really, anyway, bad condition, whatever. But this one here is a Sharp 3700 GF, and I have been just having way too much fun replacing parts left and right, so just, yeah, I made a little video of it before I took it all apart, and then just my story of replacing the little tiny, you know, the little tiny thing there, and then learning other parts in here that were missing, and had to replace all the C-clip. I replaced every C-clip that you can in here except for 2. Okay, so put new idler tire on. I replaced that C-clip, this C-clip, that C-clip, this C-clip, and both rewind and fast forward spindles, and then just all the issues I've been having here, you know, finding an idler tire that'll fit and all that, and then finally now then seeing this happy little piece, that little funny looking thing there, that was missing in this one, it was missing everything basically. So I don't know why that was, but and I actually, you know, got pipe cleaner through the thing to make it spin because it was all gummed up with grease. It was just so much fun here. And then finally, the last little thing was the red wire was tore off of the circuit board for the head. Works, no sound. So just soldered it all up. I'm golden. So I haven't even put the speakers back on. I was playing with a pair of headphones, or a pair of these, whatever. Well, let's just throw it together and see how it looks. The only thing that doesn't work, the music search does not work. It might light up, but it doesn't work. So I can't do anything about that kind of electronics, but I'm just happy that the cassette player plays. And it sounds pretty decent for what it is. So there's, now let's try, that's the fast forward music search, of course. Oh hey, it worked. Maybe it wouldn't work in reverse, it would work forward. Let's see if we can go another, of course it's plugged in, it's not running on batteries yet because I haven't gotten to that point yet, but I just wanted to show you all that I have, wait, got it, oh here. Got the, no scratchiness in the volume, and then here's the tone. Let's see. It's all your bass. And then give it some treble. There's all the treble. This is not it. Here, let's skip forward to the next song, whatever that might be. Well, here it is. Okay, it's There we go. So it's got a power. Anyway, I still don't know where the amp chip is because I normally look for a heatsink, but I guess that's it right there. But anyway, I've already screwed this in. I'm not taking it back out. I'm done. I might take the speaker off and clean it and see what kind of it might. Oh, look at that. Lovely. So the music search does work. Oh, there's that. Now this song was eaten or got erased partially, so it's, yeah, there it is. Let's see if we can zip past that. Doubtful, but now there's the rest of it. Okay. And of course, all the high frequency. That's full blast without putting it on. Pretty loud. Looks like that. That's what it is. Very well. Anyway, it's got a brand new 130 millimeter, 3 millimeter wide belt, and then a new, I think it's a 10 millimeter counter belt, and I think this is 75 or 70 somewhere for the auto stop belt. That's what that is. And I had to get parts all off of this thing here to make this one work. So this one is now not worth a blooming thing. There's no parts on here I can rescue. Well, I can't even rescue the music search because the circuit board is broke right here. So maybe some wires and maybe this other spindle here in case I need another one for another machine. But this part here is broke. This right here, this little thing here, it's split, so it won't hold the shaft to hold the part that has the tire on it that turns these little fast forward and rewind gears. So the springs are good. I'll probably salvage that, but can't do anything with that thing. So anyway, that's it. Just my interim video of this. I'm going to go now have supper. So good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I've had way too much fun taking this thing apart, putting it together, learning what's missing, because I can't remember everything. I'm no expert. I don't never claim to be. And we'll just let that hang. Don't fall. Just, well, why is it? It wants to fall. Okay, just stop moving. Alright, so here. Okay, so there it is in all its glory. It's been under 10 minutes. Great. Let me turn my happy flashlight off. There we go. No more flashlight. Alright, well, okay, gotta go. I have more things to work on. Bye-bye.